Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year's to each and every one of you. This is my products and I'm just doing unboxing and going through the lace frontal along with the bundles. And yes, I created this packaging for the company to create my amazing brand. So I do custom wig training and I do make custom wigs for clients. And I just wanted to come through to show a little bit of the things that I have in place. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And yeah, be blessed beyond measures and go after your dreams. Chase your dreams the way you chase everything else, and you will see the great reward at the end of your journey. Continue to be passionate about what you love and continue to be open minded to learn new things, to add new things into your tool belt. Have a great day.